Is it Carter? Cash Avenue at your front door, nigga.
Jungle Beats.
Look, I be chillin' with my old hoes, but I got a new bitch. Chillin' with my old crew, fuck getting a new clique. They be on that same old and I be on that new shit. G my blood brother, but he be reppin' that blue shit. I stay counting that money, they wondering where I get it from. The cops and my mama, the only people I hit it from. Married to the money, the only bitch I'm committed to. I love my whole team, cause that's the niggas I did it for. Bitch, I'm from that uptown. Shout out to that Calio, shout out to that 10 wall, all the way to Hollywood. Shout out to that 9 wall, 30 G and Miss Zan Street. Fake is for pussies and pussy is what I can't be. Never staying home, I be making a move. Ryan strap with my niggas, you know we packing them tools. Come spinning on your block and let it do what it do. You know what happened to snitches, I make it happen to you. Man, free my Uncle Mo, Bull, Gibbs, and Tron. My dad still in jail, Yoda just came home. Holding my niggas down, everything gon' be good. Rest in peace, Uncle Larry, we missing you in the hood. So we by my nigga, we ducked it off in his mama couch. Tawana ain't play, so I never bought it to mama house. Niggas in the back, couple niggas on the porch, and we driving minivans trying to turn it to a Porsche. Where I'm from, they be wildin', they'll rob you for nothing. Go in your house, find your stash and take all your money. Went to jail 3 times, but them charges was nothing. And to all of them rap niggas, tell them bitches I'm coming.
I got it. Look.
Some high shells are cool as ass off, the Swisher stuck with killer. So you know I'm finna blast off. They say money talk, so I'm having a conversation. Nigga act up in his life, I'm confiscating. These niggas ain't shitting. I'm hot, get the mittens, subtract the bitch nigga. Now do you see the difference? Do this shit myself, I don't need no assistant. Probably murder me a nigga when that liquor in my system. It go arm, head, leg, arm, head. Shoot you in the rhythm, you another murder victim. You can't take my heat, so get the fuck out of my kitchen. My snakes in the grass, you can hear them bitches listen. I got money on my mind, but motherfucker dime. Take a look at my neck, and I promise you go blind. Light another L, let my altitude climb. I got it to the crib, and the bitch just blew my mind.
Yeah.
Cash Avenue at your front door, you know the slogan, nigga. Shout out to my nigga GX. That welcome to Cash App coming real soon. We back like we never left, cause bitch we ain't never left.
Yeah, and you should know that. You hear me? Get shit on, nigga, we on a motherfucking flight, you hear me? We up all night, you know? I love my whole team, even though it consists of one nigga. That nigga like my brother. Cash Avenue at your motherfucking front door.